Welcome back to the channel, your trusted destination for futuristic rides, retro reboots, and everything in between. If you love cars with personality, you're about to meet a model that breaks all the rules. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2026 Catrion 2CV. We explore exterior, interior, under to the hood, safety features, performance, what's new in this model and price, all about in detail. Watch to end. If you are new in this channel, let's first subscribe to Luxury Car Vibes. Don't waste the time, let's start the video. Let's start with its unmistakable exterior. The 2026 Catrion 2CV isn't just a car, it's a statement. Inspired by classic French design, it keeps the original 2CV's bubbly, round shape but stretches it into something that looks straight out of a Pixar movie. Big, bold headlights sit like eyes, the roof is soft and flowing, and the fenders pop out with exaggerated curves. The designers leaned into the cartoon concept, even giving the front grille LED expressions that can smile, blink, or show little reactions depending on driving mode or weather. Paint options are anything but boring, from bright coral orange to soft lavender, with matte finishes and optional decals that look hand-drawn. It's playful, but not cheap. In fact, it feels more like a fashion statement on wheels. Inside, the Catrion 2CV continues to surprise. The cabin balances retro charm with futuristic minimalism. You get circular digital displays, recycled canvas accents, and a floating infotainment hub that you can control with gestures and no physical buttons needed. The steering wheel is thin, oversized, and has a small embedded screen in the center. The whole dashboard feels airy and fun, with mood lighting around every edge. The seats? Cozy, cloud-like, and covered in eco-friendly vegan leather that matches the playful tone of the car. There's also plenty of tech here: wireless charging, voice control, climate zones for every passenger, and an AI assistant that speaks with a slight Parisian flair. And then there's the tune mode, a customizable experience that changes the car's sounds, lighting, and even steering feel to match your mood. It's a full sensory experience that feels more like a ride at an amusement park than your average F. But don't let the whimsical look fool you. Under the hood, this car has some real substance. The 2026 Catrion 2CV is fully electric, built on Citroën's new Ultiflex platform. The standard model delivers 160 horsepower and about 280 miles of range, while the upgraded GT version bumps that up to 230 horsepower and up to 340 miles per charge. Acceleration is peppy, 0 to 60 in under 6.5 seconds for the GT version, and thanks to instant electric torque, it's surprisingly fun to drive. Fast charging gets you from 10 to 80% in just 24 minutes, and there's a strong regen system for city driving. And yes, it even makes a soft animated vroom sound when driving slow, just to keep with the theme. So, how much does this cheerful chariot cost? The base model comes in at just around $29,000, making it one of the more affordable and unique Fs of the year. The GT version will cost closer to $36,500, with a few special editions rumored to go up to $45,000. For what you're getting: a car that turns heads, sparks conversations, and delivers solid electric performance. It's a pretty sweet deal. The 2026 Catrion 2CV is more than just a reboot. It's a reminder that cars can be fun, expressive, and even a little silly, while still being smart, sustainable, and stylish. If you enjoyed this ride through one of 2026's most unique Fs, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Luxury Car Vibes for more fresh takes on future forward vehicles and retro revivals with a twist.